Who's been looking for white sandy beaches on a tropical island where they can come and do some surfing, kayaking, snorkeling, lounge on the beach, enjoy themselves, no COVID, no worries, no hurry, no shoes, no shirt, no problem? Well, this is it on Nisoso Island. Private, gated, huge lots for sale, and we're standing on one of them, which happens to be right on Nandi Bay. Just out this way, you can start seeing the Mamanutha Islands all right in here. And as you go out that way, some of the most world famous surf breaks, restaurants, Cloud Break is literally right that way. And a lot of these homes where I'm standing, you can build a home with your own private boat jetty, and actually they have boat slips. They're gonna have some hotels getting developed over here, as well as some great shopping and restaurants and retail. And if you wanna fly into Nandi International Airport, you're gonna fly in there and you'll be in your home here in about 10 to 15 minutes. So you're gonna wanna learn more. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999-2051. What we have is a 3/4 acre freehold block of land, flattened. You can see right on the waterfront, sandy beaches on Nandi Bay, and this is ready to build. And if you need help with the architects and the builders and the contractors and getting the cars and the boats and the jet skis and all those fun things, we can do that for you here in Fiji. And you can see the sleeping giant Sambeto Mountains right there. So the great thing about these homes is you can see just over there the mangrove line. So you have lots on this side which are facing the ocean and Nandi Bay, and then you have lots on the other side that face the mangroves, beautiful tropical landscaping and jungle, and those beautiful mountains. So we have it all for you here. This particular lot, again, 3/4 of an acre, about 3,000 square meters. And if you're interested, there are actually two lots. So we actually have the second lot, which is about 2,300 square meters, also available. And again, that's about a ½ acre. So combined, you're looking about 5,300 square meters or 1.3 acres. And you can combine them if you wanted to buy both and build just an enormous, beautiful island home for yourself, full-time or part-time. Another great thing about Nisoso Island where we are, of course, it's gated, private. And if you wanted to rent out your home, there's an on-site property management firm that can actually help you rent your property short-term or long-term. And we can also work with you ourselves here at Professionals FIJI Real Estate to get your property rented out. And again, if you need it full of all the goodies, we can do that for you as well. So go to professionalsfiji.com, call us +679 999 2051. Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the only global real estate agency in Fiji, and #1 for a reason, because we have land like this where you can build gorgeous homes like that. And you can see this white home here is absolutely humongous, and that is the type of structure that people are putting in here, because the people that are living in Nisoso Island are some of the biggest influencers, key stakeholders, business leaders here in Fiji. So you're going to be in good company, and you can see another home getting built just down there. So this is the place to be. And look at that, we are literally right on the water, no joke. All right, look at this gorgeous day. You could be here with us soon, and we hope you're happy, we hope you're safe. Things are turning around. We're really excited for the rest of this year. The world's gonna open back up, our hearts and minds are gonna open back up, and you're gonna manifest your dreams right there. Have a wonderful day. Keep smiling. We love you. We're thinking about you, and we'll see you here in Fiji soon. Inaka.